So you've got an idea. Maybe it's a digital product. Maybe you want to do affiliate marketing. Or maybe you're just tired of posting content and getting nothing back. Either way, you need a system. Not just vibes, not just views, a real digital marketing system that works, even if you have 0 followers right now. And I'm gonna help you. So let's get into it. Before I started selling digital products, I worked behind the scenes for other companies, running ads, building websites, and creating content strategies alongside my husband that brought in so many results. So I understand firsthand what separates people who hope for results and people who actually build systems that bring results consistently. And I'm going to walk you through that system right now. This is where most people get stuck. You need to know exactly what you're offering. Is it a digital product like a course, ebook, template? Is it a service, an affiliate link? This is your vehicle, guys. And everything else in your system is going to support this offer. So if you don't know what to sell yet, choose something simple. A $27 PDF that solves a specific problem is a great place to start. Marketing without a target is like yelling into the void. So ask yourself these questions. Who is this for? What are they struggling with? Which is a big one. What would make them say, oh my gosh, I need this? Get specific. You're not just selling a product. You're solving a problem for a person. So here's what I want you to do. Create an ideal customer avatar. Give them a name, a personality, and a pain point. So I've created my own personal avatar, and her name is Sarah. So I'm going to show you exactly who she is, what she likes, her background, everything you would need to know about a person. So this is Sarah Thompson. And she is 34 years old. She lives in New York. Her occupation is nursing. And she makes about, oh, that's $2 signs, it's supposed to be one. She makes about $87,000 annually. And she has a nursing degree. And she's married with 1 child. And here are some of her hobbies and interests. She is passionate about public speaking and often attends networking events, enjoys reading books and personal development, and she likes traveling and experiencing new cultures. And here are some of her values. Well, she believes in authenticity. That word always gets me. And she believes in genuine connections. She values deeply honesty and family, and she believes in hard work. And so you can see Sarah, even though she is an avatar, she is depicted here as a real person. So let's go and see what some of her goals are. So I even did goals. I did challenges, objections, the technology she uses, her spending habits, and also her preferred communication channels, or where she prefers to be or where she prefer me to speak with her. And so there you have it. So this is my customer avatar. And so that's what I meant when I told you to create one that is realistic to you, because this is going to help you when it comes to marketing to your ideal customer. If you need a little bit more guidance, I've created Digital to Dollars. Inside this free template, you'll be able to create your customer avatar, find your target audience, and create your own offer. So the link is in my description box. Now let's get back to the video. You do not need to be everywhere. Start with one channel where you'll show up consistently, whether that's Instagram, YouTube, Threads, email, or TikTok. Pick one and build momentum there before going to do everything. If you're good on video, start with Reels or YouTube Shorts. If you love writing, then try Threads or email marketing. That's your lane. So guys, this is where you start attracting attention by speaking directly to your audience's pain points. Don't just post cute quotes. Post things that hit. Use bold text. Use real language. Use storytelling. Teach them something. Make them feel seen or make them curious. If your content makes someone stop scrolling, you're doing your job. That's the key. Now, this part right here is what most people skip. You need a way to collect leads. If someone finds your content and wants to learn more, how are you keeping in touch? Well, here are a few options. You can create a simple email list, a DM funnel, a lead magnet or freebie, a landing page using StanStore, Gumroad, or even ConvertKit. Now comes the good part, turning followers into buyers. This is where you present your offer, guys, clearly, confidently, and with urgency. Use social proof if you have it. Use limited time bonuses, use testimonials or transformation stories. Make it obvious why your offer is the next step after consuming your free content. Let me be real with you. This isn't about going viral. It's about being valuable. You can have 200 followers and still make 1K a month if you've built trust and have a system in place. I've seen people with tiny audiences and crush it because they focused on the right things. If you've been posting content with no strategy, it's time to slow down and build this system. So this is what you want to do. You want to know your offer, know your audience, pick a channel, create value, collect leads, and make the offer. That's your digital marketing system. Start simple, but start strategically. In the next video, we're going to talk about something that confuses so many people, the difference between digital marketing and digital products. If you're selling something online, you need to understand the difference. Like this video if you've learned something new, and comment below if you've started building your own system. I want to support you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.